glass. So one glass is for beer, and one type of glass is for wine, and one type of glass is, say, for Coke. And if you took that type of glass and you put it on the table, it knows what you ordered, what you had, and then it sends the order in for you, you know, and then the person could bring it to you. So again, it's limitless what you could do with this. And what's really nice is there's a developer kit, so that you can invent or make anything for it. Yeah. Right.
Where are the speakers? I mean, are you?
They're inside here.
So everything is inside?
Everything's inside. Now, normally it has a much nicer looking case, but we had this in something else, we just pulled it out. But so it actually looks nicer than that.
So it looks like a, you know, a projection TV kind of thing. If you pull it out, you know, if you take it out, it is like projection TV with a...
Yeah, exactly. There's 5 cameras in here, and they're taking pictures. They're taking, I believe, 5 per second per camera.
Wow.
And so, so that's how what it does to sense. So like here, it's sensing the heat and the pressure. But here, it's sensing, like it's taking these pictures and it sees a change, a difference. And there's like there's a grid, you know, over the top of it that's conducting. So that's how it's that's how it's seeing.
Yeah, that's the best part. Okay.
Like, you know, like when now you are used to iPhone and iPad, so this is bit, you know, rough. I would say. This is a bit rough. I mean, iPad and iPhone.
Right. Yeah, we're used to the nice soft.
They're much smoother. This is a bit rough and.
So this is clicking picture, is it?
Yes. So all those things you see, those are pictures that are going all the time.
That's wonderful. Video.